Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 6th grade concept of interpreting numeric data. This is standard 6.13a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 8 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a dot plot that shows the wing length of birds. Let's take a moment to just pull this data out of the dot plot. Each of these dots represents a piece of data showing up once. So we've got 46, we've got a 47, we've got 3 48s, let's see, we've got a 49, there's no 50, 51, no 52, 53 two times, and we've got a 54. So there we go, we've got 10 pieces of data there, and that's a little bit easier to see obviously on the dot plot. So let's see what our statements say. More than half of the birds have wing lengths of less than 50. Well, that's kind of confusing. More than half, less than 50. All right, so let me see, wing length less than 50. So we've got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4, we got 5, we've got 6. So 6 birds have less than 50. And is that greater than half? Well, yeah, look, take a look at how we visually represented this. There's the half would be 5, and there's 6. And so 6 is greater than 5, because 5 is half. So yeah, that looks like that might be your answer. Let's just put a question mark on that right away. Don't want to get too excited and just ignore G, H, and J. G, there are more birds that have a wing length of 54 than birds that have a wing length of 46. Now take a look. You get your 54 right here. And you've got your 46 right there. If they had said there are the same, they're equal. But more does not work. There are the same number of birds that have 54 and 46. So that's a no. H, fewer than half. So we got this more than half. We got this fewer than half here. Fewer than half of the birds have wing lengths greater than 48. So fewer than half, greater than 48. Remember, 5 is half, so it needs to be fewer than 5. It's going to be 4 less. See, greater than 48. I can already tell you that's not going to work. Take a look. I'll circle the ones that are greater than 48. We're not going to count 48. Started that, but you know what? It says greater, not greater than equal to. So let's not count 48. Let's just start with 49, 51, 53, 53, and 54. So it's 5. So we've got 5, which is greater than 48, because remember, we're not counting 48. But unfortunately, remember, 5 is also our half. So 5 equals 5. It is not greater than 5. So close. They'd say greater than or equal to. Perhaps that could have been our answer. Let's take a look at this last one here. There are more birds that have wing length of 52 millimeters than birds that have a wing length of 51 millimeters. There are more birds that have a wing length of 52. There are no bird lengths 52. I was looking at our dot plot, like maybe I pulled the data wrong. There is no 52. It would go right there. Take a look. It's empty. So there is no 52. Then have the wing length of 51. Well, there is a 51, but there is no 52. So that's not going to work. So we're going to come back to our F. More than half the birds have wing lengths of less than 50, and we're just looking at it right here. Here's on the dot plot, less than 50. Remember, we've got 6 of them, and that's greater than the 4 over there on the side, so our answer is F.